I really hope you're not sick of me talking about drinks yet, because it is not the last time and you already know it hasn't been the first time. So, today we are looking at a Spanish drink, and this drink consists of two whole ingredients. We got red wine and cola. And that's everything that's in there. It is not my usual type of drink mix ingredients, but I guess that is fine. I guess pretty much everything has been used in a drink by now, so I guess cola and red wine isn't really that weird. Perhaps it's just because I haven't tried it before. I was thinking, I don't know, really weird. But alas, as I got to drinking it, I kind of changed my mind. I think this drink is really good. Actually, it's really fresh, and the only thing I'm kind of sad about is the fact that I didn't try it out before. For those of you who don't really know how to pronounce the name, you can probably see it in the title. You have probably seen it in the title before you got here. The normal human language would call it Vangria, just like the sangria, kind of in the family of that. But the actual name, I'm so sorry if I butcher this after I've even seen it, but it's supposed to go something like Kalimotxo. Please butcher me. I like the name Vangria because I kind of know what it is. The other name is just the normal actual name. So we can just call it Vangria from now on if that's better. Nonetheless, let's just get into this. The recipe is so easy. I'll have to show you how it's done. Or I won't have to. Probably you can almost guess, I think. But let me do it anyways. I took some nice footage for you guys this time. And this one takes 5 minutes to make, and I made 2 glasses out of it. So I used 2 deciliters of Spanish red wine, and then 2 deciliters of cola. I then used 6 ice cubes and 2 lemon slices for the decorations in here. So I just filled the glass with the ice and then poured in the red wine and then the cola and decorated it with the lemons here. And it was super easy. The recipe of the place where I found it, I don't even remember where it was anymore, said that Spanish and dry red wine was the best. I usually just use a cheap red wine, and this was supposed to be both dry, cheap and red, so I guess that's pretty good, the one I used. And I think it tastes really good, as I said before. I really like soda, so I was impressed that I would like something that was diluted in soda, but it's really fresh in some weird way. I guess Spain just got it going for them. That's just how it is. So, cadeau to Spain for making such a great drink. I will be making it more, especially in the summer when it gets hot. Then this is just really good. So if there's any other drink you would like talked about, if you would like to see the recipe, if you'd like to see me butcher making it, you can just tell me in the comments down below. Then I would love to try it if I actually think I can figure out how to do it. So you can leave a like if you like this video. You can choose to subscribe if you want to stay for future videos, or perhaps ring the bell if you want to get notified whenever I upload. And I just hope you all have a happy life, one day at a time.